In this video, you will see how to change to landscape in LibreOffice Spreadsheet. To change page orientation in LibreOffice Calc from portrait to landscape, you need to click here on the Format tab, and here you will see the option of page style. You can change the page layout from here. After clicking on it, you need to click on the Page tab, and under the page format you will see the option of orientation. For you it will be portrait. You can see the preview here. You just have to select the option landscape, see the preview, and then click on OK. In this way you can change page orientation in LibreOffice Calc. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn LibreOffice Spreadsheet quickly. See you again in the next one.